All right, so now that you have an account, let's start a new project to do our first example. So when you go into Simscale, you'll probably be led to what's called the dashboard. So if you click dashboard next to your username, you'll go to whatever your list of existing projects are. I have a fairly extensive list because I'm an instructor, so I've done a lot of this. So I've got a lot of projects, but I've also got folders that each have their own projects. So you can organize things however you see fit. I'll create, I guess, a new folder here. Let's see, where is that? So there's a option at the top to create a folder. I'll call this like my tutorial videos, and I'll create a folder for it. Where did that go? And I'll go into my folder, and then I'll create a project. You don't have to do this. I could have just clicked new project in the upper right hand corner, but whatever you want to do. It'll ask you for some information, so I'll do this. This is my laser heating project. So this will be my, well, I'll just call it laser heating because I'll do some other stuff in here. You can give it whatever description you want. So this is laser heating on a semi-infinite plane, or what, approximately amounts to a semi-infinite plane, what it's meant to be. If you want to, you can give it a category. I believe if you want to make your project, so by default mine are private, but if you make it public, I believe you have to give it a project category. You don't have to use the tags. You don't have to do any of these advanced settings. You can choose to use metric or imperial units. I pretty much always use metric, and then just like click create project and it will make it. By default, there is nothing in it. If you click on it, it will prompt you, it will load, and it'll prompt you to put in your sample geometry. So, you can drag and drop that, or you can import it, from a folder or file. I'll talk more about that in the next video.